If you're looking for a healthcare career that doesn't involve direct patient care, you've probably come across two careers over and over again: medical coding and medical billing. They're often mentioned together. Many job postings even combine them into one position. But here's the truth: they are not the same job. While they work closely together, the daily responsibilities, required skills, career paths, and even personality types can be very different. So, which one is better? Medical coding or medical billing? Which one pays more? Which one is easier to learn? Which one has better remote opportunities? And which career is the better long-term investment? Today we're comparing medical coding and medical billing side by side to help you decide which career is the best fit for you. Let's get started. One reason people confuse these careers is because they're closely connected. In many smaller healthcare offices, one employee may perform both jobs. But in larger hospitals and healthcare systems, medical billers and medical coders often have completely separate responsibilities. Think of them as two pieces of the same puzzle. Medical coders translate patient care into standardized medical codes. Medical billers use those codes to submit insurance claims and help healthcare providers receive payment. One creates the language, the other uses that language to generate revenue. Both are essential, but they focus on different parts of the healthcare reimbursement process. Let's begin with medical coding. Medical coders spend most of their day reviewing patient documentation. After a patient visits a physician, undergoes surgery, or receives treatment, the provider documents everything that happened. The medical coder carefully reviews that documentation. They identify diagnoses, procedures, treatments, medical supplies, and services provided. Then they assign standardized medical codes used by insurance companies nationwide. These codes determine how healthcare services are categorized and reimbursed. Accuracy is extremely important. One incorrect code can delay payment or create billing problems. Now let's look at medical billing. Medical billers take those completed medical codes and prepare insurance claims. Their responsibilities often include submitting claims electronically, reviewing insurance responses, following up on denied claims, communicating with insurance companies, reviewing patient balances, correcting billing errors, tracking payments, and helping healthcare providers receive proper reimbursement. While coders spend more time interpreting medical documentation, billers spend more time working with insurance claims and payment processes. This is one of the biggest differences. Medical coding is usually a better fit for people who enjoy working independently. You spend much of your day reading documentation, researching codes, and focusing on details. Medical billing often involves more communication. You'll interact with insurance companies, healthcare providers, billing departments, and sometimes patients. If you enjoy quiet, detailed work, coding may be a better fit. If you enjoy solving payment problems and communicating with others, billing may suit you better. Neither is better. They're simply different. The good news is that neither career requires medical school or nursing school. Many professionals complete certificate programs, diploma programs, associate degree programs, or specialized healthcare education. Community colleges, technical schools, and online education providers all offer programs. Many employers place greater value on certifications, coding knowledge, and practical skills than on a bachelor's degree. That's one reason these careers remain popular entry points into healthcare. Professional certifications can make you significantly more competitive. Medical coders often pursue certifications focused specifically on coding accuracy and healthcare documentation. Medical billers may pursue certifications related to billing, reimbursement, and revenue cycle management. Many professionals eventually earn multiple certifications as they gain experience. Continuing education is common because healthcare regulations and coding guidelines change regularly. Learning never really stops. Now let's compare income. Medical billers and medical coders often earn similar starting salaries. Entry-level professionals commonly begin between $40,000 and $55,000 annually. As experience grows, medical coders often have slightly greater opportunities for higher salaries through specialization. Experienced coders, coding auditors, compliance specialists, clinical documentation professionals, and coding consultants frequently earn more than general billing positions. However, experienced medical billers can also advance into leadership roles, revenue cycle management, and healthcare administration. Both careers offer solid earning potential. One reason these careers attract so much attention is remote work. Yes, both medical billing and medical coding offer remote opportunities. But here's something important to understand. Most employers prefer experienced professionals for fully remote positions. Entry-level employees often begin working on-site or in hybrid roles while gaining experience. Once you've proven yourself, remote opportunities become much more common. If working from home is your goal, both careers can eventually provide that flexibility. People often ask which career is less stressful. The answer depends on your personality. Medical coding requires concentration and precision. Small mistakes can affect reimbursement. Medical billing often involves deadlines, denied claims, insurance issues, and payment follow-up. Some people find coding more relaxing because there's less communication. Others enjoy billing because every day brings different challenges. Understanding your personality is more important than asking which job is objectively easier. Both careers provide excellent advancement opportunities. Medical coders may advance into senior coding, auditing, compliance, clinical documentation improvement, healthcare information management, coding education, healthcare consulting. Medical billers often move into revenue cycle management, practice management, healthcare administration, insurance operations, medical office leadership, or financial management. Both careers can become stepping stones into broader healthcare leadership positions. This question comes up constantly. Artificial intelligence is changing healthcare documentation. Some coding suggestions can now be generated automatically. Claims processing continues becoming more automated. But AI still struggles with complex documentation, unusual cases, and healthcare regulations. Human review remains essential. Professionals who understand both technology and healthcare will continue providing tremendous value. Rather than replacing these careers, AI is changing how professionals perform them. Medical billing is often considered slightly easier for beginners because it focuses more on insurance processes and payment workflows. Medical coding generally requires deeper knowledge of anatomy, physiology, medical terminology, and coding systems. That doesn't mean coding is difficult. It simply requires more technical medical knowledge. Both careers require dedication and continuous learning. Neither should be viewed as a shortcut to easy money. Medical coding may be the better choice if you enjoy independent work, love organization, like solving detailed problems, prefer limited phone communication, enjoy medical terminology, can focus for long periods, and appreciate precision. Many people who enjoy research naturally gravitate toward coding. Medical billing may be a better fit if you enjoy communication, like solving financial problems, want variety throughout the day, feel comfortable talking with insurance companies, enjoy customer service, and like helping organizations improve cash flow. Billing often feels more dynamic because you're constantly interacting with different situations. So, which career is actually better, medical coding or medical billing? The answer depends entirely on you. If you enjoy detailed analysis, independent work, and healthcare documentation, coding may be the better fit. If you enjoy communication, problem solving, and working with financial processes, billing might be the better choice. The good news is that many professionals eventually learn both. That combination makes them even more valuable to employers. Healthcare continues growing, insurance systems continue evolving, and skilled billing and coding professionals remain an essential part of the healthcare industry. Now I'd like to hear from you. If you had to choose today, would you rather become a medical coder or a medical biller? Leave a comment below and tell me why. And if you're interested in healthcare careers, finance careers, technology careers, skilled trades, salary breakdowns, and career advice, make sure you subscribe to Career Decode. Every week we break down real careers, real salaries, and real opportunities to help you choose the path that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.